welcome students to our channel Let's Crack the Gate, an initiative by TK Faculties. I'm Suman Chaudhary. I work as assistant professor at Engineering College Ajmer. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the books that we need to follow just for CSE students for clearing the GATE exam. Okay, so our first subject is operating system. We have mainly three books in operating systems: Tannenbaum, Galvin, and William Stallings. For basics and processes concepts, you can follow Tannenbaum. Galvin is the best book for all the theoretical concepts plus the numerical problems. You can follow the Galvin book. And for especially for memory management part, if you need more understanding, then you can follow William Stallings. Next subject is database management system. We have three books: Korth, Navathe, and Raghuram Krishnan. All the three books have their topics that are specially described best in these books. Okay, so in Korth, query languages, transactions, and the basics of DBMS is described and elaborated very nicely. You can follow Korth book. And in Navathe, the relational algebra, ER diagram, and file structure is given very good. Okay, and you can understand the concept of normalization and integrity constraint from Raghuram Krishnan. It, these concepts are given very good in this book. So you might ask that, ma'am, we just need one book to follow for DBMS. Then I would suggest you to follow Korth. Korth is little bit heavy. Okay, I know that, but the concepts are fairly, detailed, given in this book, that and you just need to follow the gate related topics also. And if you want to have advanced knowledge of TBMS, then also you can follow Korth book. So next subject is computer networks. We have three books: Tannenbaum, Forouzan, and William Stalling. Okay, Tannenbaum, the theory and problems are given very good in this book, but Forouzan is the best for your understanding of concepts of computer networks. And if you want numerical problem more, then you can go for William Stallings. Now, theory of competition. The Peter Lynch book is the best book, but I know it's heavy, its language is also very high. So I recommend you the Ullman book. Okay, all the top concepts are given very good in this book, and you just need to follow the practice question that our ma'am is given in the gate lectures of talk, and the exercise questions on our telegram group. That will be sufficient. Okay, and still you want to try more books, then you can go for Martin, and for automata you can go for Cohen. Next is compiler. Actually, compiler is little bit small subject. So if you have time, then you can go for Ravi Sethi and Ullman book. All the concepts are, it's a theoretical subject, so concepts are fairly elaboratedly given in this book. But I recommend you just follow the TQ faculty's gate lecture for this subject. That will be sufficient if you don't have time. Computer organization and architecture. The best book for this subject is Hamacher. It's the best one. And you can also follow the Morris Mano book for memory and addressing modes concept. And if you still want one more book to read, then you can try JP Hayes. Okay. Actually, before starting the computer organization architecture subject, you should complete your GATE syllabus of DLD, Digital Logic Design. Okay, and I'm going to come on that subject. But before reading this, before jumping on this subject, you should complete DLD subject. And there is a book Morris Mano for this, In this Morris Mano, it's fairly elaborated that how digital devices work. Okay, it's have many numerical problem. You will get very good idea of digital devices, and after that you can go on computer organization and architecture and follow the Hamacher book. Algorithms, very important subject, and we have three books: Koroman, Sahani, and Ullman. Okay, now Corman is the best book. It is, known as Bible of algorithm. In anywhere in the world you will go for algorithm, this book is recommended. Okay, I know it's heavy and little bit heavy and it's difficult to follow, but I recommend you just keep reading it. You will, casually you will get to know this book. All the algorithms are fairly elaborated in this book, all the algorithm with the modification, what modification they can have with their time and space complexities, and it exercises very good. You should do all the exercises of Corman. Okay, and if you have any doubts in those exercises, we have our Telegram group where you can ask this solution for these exercises. And if after that you want to read one more book, then I'll recommend Ullman. Ullman is good for concept, and then you can follow Sahani if you have time. Now, programming and data structures, these all two are also important topics in GATE point of view. Okay, so we have first book for data structures, Narsima Karumunchi. Actually, data structures are fairly represented and make understandable in this book. Okay, I suggest you just go and buy this book. Okay, and for programming, you can go for Yashwant Kanetkar for the concept, and for understanding of how these programming work, then you can follow Balaguru Swami. Okay, that will be sufficient. If you ask for more books, then you have Tannenbaum and Ullman. Discrete mathematics. Okay, so discrete mathematics, Kenneth Rosen is the best book. It have fairly detailed concepts and numerical problems also. Tremblay and Manohar is also, good for the concept, almost all the topic, and you can after that you can also, follow Baker for the probabilities, relation, and function, then CL Liu and Coleman. Okay. Now for probability, there is a book, Probability Statics and Queuing Theory by S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor. It is good for understanding, and but I recommend you just follow the TQ faculty's lectures. Okay, and we have coming up the test series. It's free of cost. You can sign up for that also. Numerical methods, V. Rajaraman, it is good for concepts, and numerical method by S.S. Shastri, good for examples. Linear algebra and calculus, it's not a big topic. Calculus we have already studied in 12th, and linear algebra is not a big concept. They are simple concept. Still, if you want to ask for books, there are many books. We have follow in our UG program also. So A.R. Vashisht, you can follow this for linear algebra, or higher education engineering mathematics by Grewal. It is good for concept as well as for examples of linear algebra. And for calculus, again, A.R. Vashisht by S.K. Sharma and Shanti Narayan S. Chand for solved calculus examples. And for both, you can follow Advanced Engineering Mathematics by H.K. Das. For general aptitude, these three books are recommended. These three are best in their class. but aptitude in GATE is, not much of high level. So I recommend you just sign up for the test series and follow the PQ faculty's GATE lecture. That will be sufficient. Okay. And still, if you want to follow any book, then go for quantitative and verbal reasoning by R.S. Agarwal and quantitative aptitude test by T.S. Jain, Upkar publication, and for English, you can follow English grammar by Martin. Okay. So students, I recommend for the main subject algorithms, programming, data structures, talk, DBMS, you should follow at least one textbook, okay, along with the videos and the lectures. Okay, and still, if you have any doubt, you can mail us at pqfaculties@gmail.com, and we are also available on FB and Twitter. That's all for today. Thank you, students.